Let's start with the basics, the Level 1 charger. It's just a heavy-duty cable you plug into a standard wall socket, like your toaster. No special installation needed. Plug one end into the wall, the other into your car. It's as easy as charging your phone but much slower. Think filling a pool with a garden hose. You get about 3 to 5 miles of range per hour, so a full charge can take all day. Level 1 is perfect for short daily commutes or as a backup. Many keep one in the boot for emergencies or visits to friends. It's all about convenience, not speed. Most new electric cars come with a Level 1 cable, no extra cost or electrician required. It's the gentle introduction to electric charging, reliable and simple for new owners. If Level 1 is a garden hose, Level 2 is a fireman's hose. Level 2 chargers are installed at home or work by an electrician. Think of a small box on your wall. They need a dedicated circuit, but once installed, they're easy to use. The big advantage? Speed. You get 25-40 miles of range per hour. Plug in at night, and you'll have a full battery by morning. These are the workhorses of electric motoring, found in garages, driveways, and workplaces everywhere. Many businesses offer Level 2 charging for employees, making long commutes worry-free. You'll also find them at shopping centers, supermarkets, and hotels. Top up while you shop or watch a film. Level 2 chargers fit perfectly into daily life, combining speed and convenience. They're the most popular choice for most electric car drivers. Fast, practical, and always ready when you are. That's why Level 2 is the go-to for everyday charging.